So our main activity of the day is about servicing this touch panel, and you know this is the main communication area of these printers. Although this belongs to that other printer there, the 0 series printer, and so sometimes or so many people are throwing these things away when it develops problems. But the thing is, we do repair these things. This thing is repairable. It is even also serviceable, just like any other device. Hii kitu inaweza serviciwa just like any other device because it is just made with almost the same components like the machines. It has motherboards, it has power supply, power supply area, it has the connectors, and mostly when it develops an issue, it's only the connectors that have issues. So I want us to open the inside of this device here, this touch panel, so that we see the different connectors inside it, the motherboards of it, or the different boards in it, that support it and that which are serviceable, so that instead of throwing it away, you can bring it to us, we service it for you instead of throwing it away. Some people will throw it away and it creates pollution, because there is a good way of disposing, just like we discussed in another video here. There is the better way of disposing e-waste, right, or electronic waste. And so some people are just throwing it away or keeping it and becomes too cumbersome in their stores, while you can service it and continue using it instead of throwing it away. So I'll go through servicing it with you as I show you the different parts of it. So karibuni, welcome and walk with me as I service the device. This is my toolbox, by the way. This bag acts as my toolbox. It carries my my tools, right? I have this is a home drive, which is very important when servicing. And then I have these tools. I've just taken them out. Hii screwdriver naiheshimu sana, naipenda sana. I love this screwdriver. It helps me a lot. When I'm carrying it, I have a lot of confidence because I know I'm able to do so many other things together with this one. Although hii ilivujikana jana, but this one broke yesterday when I was in the field working. But I'll buy another one, or I just repair this one to be okay. I love this brush. It helps me a lot, especially in removing dust. This is a toothbrush, and I use it when cleaning connectors of different machines. I have this I love this kakitamba here. This cloth. It helps me a lot in cleaning surfaces of machines and devices when I am doing my servicing. Although it has grown old, imezeeka, nataka nibai ingine. I remember a customer whom sometimes I was working somewhere in Ruiru, and then a customer saw my bag. I had opened it. Inside it, you know, it carries so many things, including sieve, ile chai. It carries a lot of devices here. A lot of components here. And then a customer saw it and was like, "Wow!" Sometimes you people, if someone sees your bag, inside your bag, and the fanafanaria which is inside it, and anaweza fikiria nyinyi sijui ni watu aina gani, could think you people are like, I don't know what kind of people, because you carry so many things which some people may not be able to tell what the things are used for. Anyway, we are about servicing this touch pad here, or this touch panel. This touch panel here, I'll use my devices, especially in opening it. This my screwdrivers. I had a tester. I don't know where it is. I should be having a tester somewhere, or inside the bag. I should be having a tester. Yes, I have it here. It is very important when you are doing your servicing. It tests the electricity continuity. Anyway, so I will open this touch panel so that we see the inside of it and the serviceable areas of it. Because this device is serviceable. Many people are throwing it away instead of taking it for servicing or for repair when it develops problems and it is serviceable, right? And I don't want people to continue throwing it away when it can be serviced. I want people to know that it can be serviced and to appreciate that the fact that you do not have to throw it away when it develops problems. Instead, you should give it out for servicing. So I'm dismantling it. I'm dismantling it. I'm dismantling it. So, so that I've opened this plastic. You can just pull it out. And before you completely remove it, I've removed this one. So I'm removing this. I keep it aside so that it gives me space to open the other one, the other area. And so after that, I can open this area here. I just want us to briefly see the different parts of this device, this touch panel, and that you can service it and reuse it when it has an issue. Most of the issues which happen on this touch panel is maybe not receiving power or not sensing touch, and that's why we have a pen which is used to touch it, because our fingers sometimes have some oils and lotion which we apply to our bodies, which are not friendly or are not okay with these electronic devices. And so most of the issues that develop are just mechanical, which is repairable to some extent, So I'm supposed to take this one out, the connection area, the connector. This is the connector. It connects through this area here. So I'm removing it. So this is the connector which connects to the device like this, so that it hangs somewhere where you can be able to control the printer from. I've opened this one, you can see, and so this is the inside of it. You can see. Great. I will also remove this metallic area here, which covers the main board of the touch panel, and so I'll remove it. So you can see I've removed it. So I have exposed, I have opened every other part. This is the main area, the main board of the touch panel. It has this connection area here, which connects to the printer, through a cable. It has these connectors here, and these are the connectors I was talking about. Like I've removed this, I can also remove this. Naweza chomoa pia hii connector, so that I'm left with this. I can also remove this board. But ideally I do not want to remove it. This is the main board of the touch panel, right? You can see over here we have this board here, small board here. This small board here is the one which connects the power button. It is like the power, the main power board, or the power board of this screen or of this touchpad. It has this button which is used to put the touch panel on or off. You can also see it is the area where we have the sub power of the panel. It is also the area where we have this button here, which is used to control the memory, and this one, the utility counter key, which is also used to control or to we actually use it a lot, this utility button here, when we are resetting the printer. We have this board here. It is the board which connects, or which helps you to communicate with the button area containing the number pad of the touch panel. Hii ndio inakusaidianga kuweza kuwasiliana na hii machine wakati unatumia buttons, like for example when you are key in numbers, it also has the buttons which is used to control whether you are photocopying, whether you are interrupting, or you want to stop what you are doing, you want to cancel whatever that you are doing. It also has this button here, which is used to increase the screen light or reduce it. Also these buttons here, which is used to communicate with the machine when you are asking for different services. Then I have this board here. This board inside here, hii yenye iko hapa ndani ndio huwa ina control the touch screen. Touch screen ni hii. It communicate, you can communicate it through touching or through using a stylus pen. There is a pen we call a stylus pen. Stylus pen is used to control the machine to avoid juu hizi vidole zetu, our fingers in most cases they have some sweat or some watery kind of excretions from the body. So unapata because of that wetness, when you touch the pad it can get destroyed ama inaacha kukua communicable. You are unable to communicate with the touchpad because of that oily substance in your fingers, right? In your fingers. So this board is the one used to control the touch area. And so I have literally opened my my touchpad and or my touch panel or my panel, and I am now ready to like service it. And I've told you most of what happens to this touch panel is losing maybe some loose connections or some interrupted connection because of maybe that or some rusting. And what you can do to it, you can use this substance here, we call it the home dry cleaner. Inatumikanga for mechanical purposes, so you can pour it inside this cup here kwa hii kifuniko, alafu unashikisha kwa hii toothbrush here, alafu unaosha, you scrub the connectors using the toothbrush. You scrub all the connectors so that if the panel was not like communicating, then it can start communicating again. As in unatoa hiyo dust, unatoa the rusting in it, and you will find that your panel starts communicating again. Wash the connectors thoroughly with home dry using this toothbrush, using just a simple toothbrush yenye ni ya kubrush meno. Unaitumia tu, as in you buy one which you will use to wash the connectors, just like you can see I'm washing my connectors, or I'm brushing them out. I'm brushing them out to remove any rust and dust from the connectors. Rust and dust from the connectors unaosha completely, unaziosha completely, but you take care not to pour the substance inside the board here. We said that these motherboards, they have what we call buses. Kuna wiring kidogo huku ndani, hizi zenye unaona, these pathways, data pathways. It has also these transistors and resistors, and they have connections, small connections, data connections, carrying digital data and digital electrons. So you are not supposed to pour this home dry on these data pathways, because it will get destroyed, it will break down. So what you wash or what you brush out is these connectors connectors of the wiring connectors of your device, so that you remove dust, you remove any rust inside it, and you make sure that it is very clean and clear from dust and rustings. Another thing that you can do is to use this simple brush here. Una panguza panguza, you just dust out, because these boards are so hidden, as in mali zimewekwa ndani, they are so secured such that not unless it gets some water, water is what will make it rust. Not unless maji imemwagika ndani yake, not unless there is some water which poured inside, it can't just get rust by itself, or just like that. Not unless imemwagikiwa maji, or it gets some watery substance, you know, it can't just get rust like that, because it is very secured, very hidden, so that it just does it just get dust like that, or rust like that, or water is kept away from getting inside it. And in which case you should also take care so that this your touchpad not to get some water or some watery substances which can destroy it. So that is the simple way in which you can just service this device here. But in some cases, if you, for example, use your meter, which is used to measure electricity, to test out whether electricity is passing around your device well, and find out that maybe one of the boards is destroyed or broken down, you can remove. If it is this one, you can also unscrew it and remove it and replace with another one, so that this starts working. Maybe you have two panels which are not working, so you can use one, you remove like a board like this one, or this one, or this other one over here, and then you replace with another. But also, before replacing, it is good you use this substance, this home dry, and then wash the connectors so well, brush out the connectors so well. Make sure that you brush out the connectors. You can also, you can see this flat cable, here, this one, we call it a flap cable. You can also use a scissors. I also have scissors with me here. I carry all of them. A lot of paraphernalia, which some people, okay, technicians might understand, but you may not. If you are just a lay person, not okay, fine. You may, you can cut it out well, so that these connectors over here, you like renew it. You cut the ones which are not communicating well, and then when you cut, you know, you've exposed new wiring, which when you connect back can now start working, right? So these devices, we use them that way, and that's how you service this touch panel here, just by simply opening it, or opening its parts, and then brushing out, dusting using a brush like this one, or using a toothbrush like this one with home dry, so that when you wet your toothbrush with the home dry, you can brush out the connectors, and you will find your device working back if it was not working. Okay, so after that, now you can return your connectors. First, it is good you close your home dry. It evaporates very fast. It is a substance that if you leave it just open, because it's like a spirit, it is a spirit form, it can evaporate. So after that, you can do back your connections. You can connect back your connectors. You can put back your connectors slowly. You can slowly put back your connectors, just the way they were. Just the way you opened it, you can connect them back. And if it had problems, maybe it was misbehaving, it was not communicating well, or it had some broken parts, or there is anything that you wanted to replace, then most probably you've done it, and it's ready. You can use it back. You can start now using it. As in, it again becomes usable. It becomes usable because you've serviced it. You've done your servicing carefully. You've done your replacement of the broken parts. If there is a board which was not working, you've replaced it with another one, because there are plenty of these with the technicians and with the people who sell spare parts. And so if you go around looking for one which is maybe also partially working, you can get boards that can help you get spare parts that you can use to make another one which is not working to be able to work, right? So I'm connecting back, or I'm returning my my communication panel or my touch panel back to the way it was. I'm connecting back. Okay, and you have to be very keen. You have to be very keen when you're doing it. My screw is magnetic, so that any screw falling down, I can pick it, or it makes it easy not to lose a screw when working. When I'm running out of screws, I thought I have many. Inside here, I have some others. So many screws here, which I can still use. See this? It's back. No more. So we've serviced it and we have it back. We had opened all of it, but we've taken it back the way it was, right? And so, you know, it belongs to that machine there, and I want to show you how to install it or how to fix it where it is supposed to be. So come with me. It is supposed to connect to this cable here, this one, so to this machine, right? This cable. And so, as I told you, this is the connection area. Hii hapa hivi. Nasumbuliwa na mwangaza kidogo, but this area. So, it's supposed to connect here, so I'm connecting it. I can use my tester. Where is it? This tester keeps on getting lost. It's down here. And so, I need to fasten it. You use a screw inside here and you fasten it. And now you can see we have our touch pad, the printer using it. Okay, we are done. We are ready. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe, like the video, and share to other social media networks. Otherwise, we appreciate you a lot. Shalom.